사람들에게 아니 한번 디스코에서 가져야 이자시아기 oder ist kann ja Strukturine mir ja 이제 더 같이 마시 근데 그게 같이 가니까 유지하는 거 나한테
First of all, in order to be able to say everything I'd like to say, first of all, I will speak a little bit in English, and then I will say a few words in Tibetan.
Honorable Chief Guest, Chief Minister Sri Natish Kumar Ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri Sushil Kumar Modi Ji, Honorable Members of Parliament, Members of the Cabinet and Legislative Assembly of Bihar, Buddhist brothers and sisters, and distinguished foreign guests. I'm honored to have been invited to join this distinguished assembly opening. The 2012 World Mahotsav celebrating the 2600th anniversary of the Lord Buddha's enlightenment. Here in this sacred place of Bodh Gaya, for many of us today, whether or not we think of ourselves as Buddhist, the Lord Buddha is a symbol of peace and non-violence, because he taught openly to everyone without restriction, and the path he taught involves an inner transformation based on developing wisdom and compassion. Buddhists come from many parts of the world to Bodh Gaya, seeking inspiration and blessings in this holy place, where the Lord Buddha found enlightenment. These days, many people in Bihar, in India, and the world at large look to what is being achieved by the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Natish Kumar and his government. They have transformed Bihar from a state where everything needed to be done to a state where so much is being done for the general good. Law and order have been restored, and great improvements in infrastructure and education are going ahead. I think I better speak Tibetan. 제가 그림 있으시면 나오래야 이 나오지기 봐줘야 야게 당하사를 계속 쓰려고 야게 당하사를 신뢰를 야게 상황이가 낭설이 야게 당하고 계속 사비가 그냥 조대 엔티 가서야 시행 노정사 미제를 나네요. 내가 저로서 준비해 아니年比里啊，城市这边我商业呢，按工业，按的没里吧啊，马些吧，莫不的，按工业方式有一个细节，按那个就搞出来了，他们他们他们这边多么多的钱呢？ 나도 딱 봐라. 성으로 통치팀의 공화나. 단 머리 빨리 니를 세네. 아니 이시기고요. 가서다. 다방도를 제었어요. 근데 이거 실험이야 돼요. 현진이와 개심이 있었대. 다 이내 때 나와서 니 패버치기 아니 남주 미지 나와래야. 개시슈에 아주 신용도선 사는 고주가 개심사리와. 제가 안에 대버정산이 준비했는데 상계를 제려야 가능하더라나. 아니 초 함전 다문 자가기 초 함전을 폐지. 아니 공개 가서다. 在我新北国呢，从常见不到，常到的，很确实嘛，那里你妈的，都是这些，那里俺是自己钱的，那里在我讲，电影第一，就是俺那我全是做过的事，那里那这样有的，这里就是那点这个这三个确的，那第二个讲，那然后都那里比他拿到呢，送呢，人家人家钱呢，就怎么的给，他是还是他的呀，那比上给送就是，那里，他就目的经济钱。
These days, in the 21st century, many people consider that the development and improvements in our society are very important. And yet when we think of development, it is not primarily or not just the development in terms of our external material things. It is important for us also to develop our internal minds. And the most important thing for that is that it depends upon our education. And so when the Buddha came to this place and awoke to complete and perfect enlightenment, then he saw that the cause of all of our suffering is ignorance and delusion. And he realized that in order to bring us all to the ultimate state of enlightenment, in order to bring us all to the state of omniscience, and to wake us all from the sleep of ignorance, then what was necessary would be for us to find the wisdom or the intelligence that knows what it is that we need to do and what it is that we should not do. Now, for most ordinary people, what is it that we consider most important? Well, it is an education that is very important for us. And so when the Buddha awoke to enlightenment, what was it that he did? Well, what he did is he went to all of the different places around. And as he went all around, he taught people how it is that they need to develop the wisdom in order to be able to come to the ultimate happiness, the lasting bliss and happiness that we need to come to. And so the main thing is that after that he taught the Dharma that brings us there, and he started teaching this Dharma here in India, and in particular here in Bihar.
Is the era of globalization. You bet something you are just on minimum to some there. Take the Russia, you are only the China. Then Joe come to the China, something you are. But they are choosing some Tabina, then Joe comes only the Rosamunda. Communication on the China, the awareness for me. 是忙起来，一样一样的。加上三个兄弟，俺不讲俺的他，今天今朝不能给啥子他是他的呀，他说的，他对有钱钱啊，但我妈人家公司我也心里啊，妈的啦，俺那些不借钱，俺那不行啊。但现在，第三个就是的呀，俺那是 different Buddhist tradition。 상호로 년도 정치, NPC knowledge랑 시행이랑 많은 양용 experience, 현재 딱 간다 가서에 이제 모델 시합이 그거 용도야. 근데 주산 때문에 상기 취해 가부 자가는 다달라야 아니야 자가리야 그 가서에 양자 그 라소 차지. 이제 일단 고급 상품 중인데 그린 비싼에 Delia Misegi, review Pinina and it parents of the also.
These days, many people talk of this as being an era of globalization. And when we think of globalization, we mainly think of this as being in terms of economies or in terms of business and sales. But when we think about it, it is not merely a question of business or of the economy. It also gives us an opportunity to be able to make contact with each other and to be able to raise our awareness of each other. And so with the teachings of the Buddha, they first spread in India, and then they spread to all the different areas of the world. And when they spread there, at first there was not much opportunity for the different traditions to come to know each other or to come into contact with each other. But now all of the different Buddhist traditions of the world have the opportunity to come to know each other, to learn about each other, and to have an experience of each other. We have an opportunity to reintroduce ourselves to each other. And so now here, the Buddhist teachings spread all throughout the world, and now is the time when they're coming back and being brought back here to the land of India. And so I think this is a wonderful opportunity, especially when we think about it in historical terms and the great benefits that it can bring.
In this context, celebrations such as this Bodh Mahotsav assume great significance. I pray that the discussions and cultural performance that will take place during this celebration will be a success and an opportunity to foster good relations. Finally, I would like to make an appeal. Considering that the Lord Buddha was concerned that all beings be relieved of suffering. Then, like other holy places in this country, people should be encouraged to regard Bodh Gaya as a vegetarian zone. Thank you very much.